Galus is called a dream, which essentially means that we are sleepwalking through life. And in a dream, a person could accumulate $5 million, $5 billion, $5 trillion. But it is far better to get $5 in real life that have real value than to make $5 billion in a fantasy world, in a dream world. Also, for many people, Golus is not just a dream, but it is a living nightmare. It's a living hell. And in our dreams, we can never run away from and flee the antagonist, our enemy, our foe, because he's inside our head. But when he has us up against the wall, when we're trapped, when he got us, that's always when we wake up from the nightmare. And any moment, the whole world is going to wake up from its nightmare, it's going to wake up from its dream with the coming of Moshiach. And the Rebbe tried to wake us up a few minutes early. He tried to give us a few extra moments to prepare and get ready so that when the whole world is startled awake by the alarm clock of Moshiach, we will already be wide awake, we'll be all dressed up, we're ready to go. And the Rebbe said, open up your eyes. Open up your eyes, stop sleeping, stop dreaming, start living real life, start living Moshiach life. And the Rebbe's ultimate dream was that we would wake up from our dreams, we would wake up from our nightmares. So wake up, let's bring Moshiach together, and God bless you.